Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ronnie Hair, and as you guys can already see, I'm going to be reviewing a 360 unit. Now I haven't had a 360 unit in a while, so I am kind of excited because you know the 360 allows the flexibility to put your hair up in a ponytail. So first things first, let's tackle this hairline. As you can see, the unit did come slightly pre-plucked, but y'all already know it wasn't plucked to my standards, so I went ahead and I plucked it some more. Next, I'm going to get my side part going on, and I'm just going to lay that down using my flat iron. And while I'm at it, I do want to show you guys the parting space you're going to get on this unit. As you can see, you're only going to get about 4.5 inches, if even, parting space down the middle, and you are going to get about 2 inches of parting space on the side. So I guess they give you that extra parting space on the side since it's a 360 to allow you to wear it up in a ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and try to like tame this hair really quickly before I start styling it. Okay, so now I got the edges looking the way I like it. And as you guys can see, this hair is very pretty. Like, it has a really nice sheen to it, and the density is chef's kiss. A1 is 200% density. Y'all already know I like a thick unit because it just gives me more. I like big hair, so big hair don't care. You know, do what you do. If you don't like it big, get yourself a lower density. So I decided I was going to do an updo hairstyle with this unit since it is a 360. So I'm just going to add some curls to it, and then I'm going to tame on the hairline. Okay, so now she's looking a little better. She's looking how I would like it. I decided to just throw ahead and let some hair hang over, flow over for a little bang. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm showing you on a mannequin head because, you know, I actually styled it on a mannequin head. And once I try to install this unit, you know, it didn't really turn out that well. But you can see that is a cute little hairstyle. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that the tracks in the back, when I was trying to lay it down with the flat iron, there are like little pieces of hair that are sticking up. So if you are trying to wear it up in a high ponytail, I do suggest leaving it slightly loose in the back just so those hairs won't show. All right, now let's cut the lace and get this beauty installed. And since this is a 360 unit, I am going to apply my foundation powder around the entire perimeter of the unit, just so it could blend in with my skin. And you guys know your girl don't even do the ball cap method anymore, so I am going to apply some of that Even New York tinted lace spray to the parting area. So as I mentioned to you guys, the hair was kind of dropping when I was installing it, so I just went ahead and took it out. One thing I do want to point out is that I did get a lot of shedding with this unit. It was shedding like a dog. I ain't gonna hold you, but since it's so thick, I guess it will take a while before it actually balls out. And I did decide I wanted to go ahead and add some layers to this unit, because you guys know I do prefer layers in the unit. I do feel like it makes all the difference with how your hair lays. Even though I just cut like just a little bit, the curls will just lay a lot better once it's layered. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is my install. It's a really simple install. It's a 360 unit. I didn't bother gluing down the back because I wasn't wearing the hair up in a ponytail. But if you wanted to wear your hair up in a ponytail, you can either tuck the comb underneath on the elastic band or glue it up in the back. So you do have those options, and you do have that flexibility. And as you can see, I do have a nice, thick, healthy ponytail. And I do want to mention that I did get some slight tangling while I was manipulating this unit as well. So dolls, as always, everything used in this video is going to be linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.